In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create videos from screenshots with Camtasia AI. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, I've got some screenshots here of more or less the TechSmith interface, just more or less what you get when you go to the TechSmith website. And it's just like 3 screenshots. So the first page, and then the page where you select what product you want, and then the landing page for Camtasia. Now, I'd like to use one of their products in TechSmith Labs Project to create videos from the screenshots. So you can convert photos and screenshots into engaging videos without the hassle. AI transforms your image into professional content for any platform. So there are a couple of more or less pre-made prompts like AI training video maker, and then we've got AI reels and TikTok demo video creator, animate images with AI. So for example, you can create stunning animated videos from your images using AI technology. Coming soon is convert PowerPoint to video, transforms presentations and slides into engaging video. Now, I've gone with the first prompt here, right there, but you can also write out your own prompt right here. Now, let me just click on this and then click on this plus right here to add the screenshot images. And I'm going to begin with 1 so that more or less I'm sure that it's followed the order that I want this to be in, but I'm sure you can always click on the first one and then Control A to select all of them. Click on open. Once I do that, I'll click on this particular submit or send message button. And then we have to kind of more or less wait for Camtasia AI to do the magic in the background. And then we see what type of results we're going to get. So we've got 1, welcome to TechSmith homepage, navigation bar. And then we've got 3, opening down the drop down, selecting Camtasia products, Camtasia landing page overview, call to action, Camtasia benefits highlights. So let's assume that is what you wanted to do. And you can always edit the focus area right here, delete and all that. Let's assume that's the more or less the screen recording you wanted to make. I'll just click on generate video. It's generating Camtasia preview video. So as you can see, generating voiceover 1, preparing media files, generating Camtasia video. This is more or less a really game-changing feature that is going to come out soon. And I kind of like it already. The way it has analyzed those photos and actually decided, okay, this is how I'm going to structure this particular video based on those 3 screenshots. Really, really awesome. So as you can see, I'm sure everything is being generated right here. So we can give it a while and then we see what type of result we're actually going to get. And as I mentioned, this is going to be a game changer, especially if you're not in the mood of creating tutorial videos and want to do it quickly with Camtasia AI. So there we go. And take a note, it's given you more or less what the different screenshots indicate. So welcome to TechSmith homepage, navigation bar. So if I can click on this, you'll see this. And then you can do your more or less the voiceover script. Welcome to TechSmith, where smarter screen capture. Now, let's just take a listen.
Welcome to TechSmith, where smarter screen capture and recording starts. Let's explore their products that help you communicate more effectively with AI-powered tools. At the top navigation bar, you can find links to products, solutions, and more. Let's open the products menu to see what's available. Here in the drop-down, you can access different products including Snagit, Camtasia, and Audiate, with options for free trials and purchases. We'll select Camtasia to learn more about this AI-powered screen recording and video editing software. This is the Camtasia page, where you can explore its AI-powered screen recording and video editing features designed to help you create engaging videos. Right here, you can compare pricing plans or download a free trial to start using Camtasia today. Camtasia helps you turn your knowledge into engaging, educational videos using intuitive AI-powered tools for video creation and editing.
Now, it's done a really good job. Now, other than the section where it actually more or less clicks on about instead of products, that's the only kind of issue right there. But you can always edit the focus area. It should be so it should be the focus area should be on this one, navigation bar. should be edit focus area, something like that right there. Update scene. Okay, voiceover for scene 2 has been updated. So more or less, okay, you may not be able to do all the specifics, but it's really good to see that. Export options, you can download a Camtasia zip project, which is really awesome. So in Camtasia, you can now change the mouse and the cursor options, because you can always do that. You can reprogram the path to go to products. Super awesome to actually do this. You can also do export to MP4 if you love the video that's been created. And I think this is a very good way for Camtasia to actually incorporate AI into their workflow. I did not see this coming. It's a new, more or less new product that was announced during the TechSmith Unlocked 2025 webinar that was held 2 days ago. Should be on the 1st of October 2025. But Camtasia AI is going to be a game changer, more or less, especially for PowerPoint presentations to video. It's going to be really a game changer. Let's see. Let's download the MP4 and let's open.
Welcome to TechSmith, where smarter screen capture and recording starts. Let's explore their products that help you communicate more effectively.
It's more or less the same video, but it's a really well done video. Kudos to the team behind this. You can clear chat, reset everything, acknowledgements, terms of service, report issues if you'd like to, and then you can help shape this up. You can also start over. But that is how you can create videos from screenshots using Camtasia AI. And as you've seen, it's actually going to be really a game changer in this whole, especially ecosystem of creating tutorial videos. That's it for this video. Until next time, stay safe and never stop learning. Thanks for watching.